In the lab assignment, the learning outcome is knowing the laws of physics, namely Newton's second law and Newton's first law and the momentum principles. Mathematically put, Newton's second law can be stated as delta P is equal to F net dot delta T. Momentum, final momentum Pf is equal to mass into initial velocity plus F net into delta T. Position, final position Rf is equal to initial Ri plus velocity into delta T. One-dimensional constant velocity motion of a gym ball is analyzed in this assignment. Using video camera, we observed the one-dimensional motion of a gym ball. We evaluated the position and time using tracker. We created a computer model in VIDLE. The predictions, the comparison using graph, and the changes when the axes are flipped are studied here. A blue gym ball of mass 1 kg was rolled down on the floor in positive X direction from the left. The motion was captured using a video camera and the same was imported to a video tracker. Coordinate systems, the time frames, delta T, initial velocity are all calculated using tracker. The result was computed using the computation model using VIDLE. It is presented as an Excel graph here. The red line corresponds to the computational values from the model using VIDLE, and the blue line corresponds to the values. For computational model, VIDLE, the program is used. The changes that are made are the mass of the ball is 1 kg. The ball's initial position is slightly shifted from the origin as 0.024. The ball's velocity as computed is 1.3525. Delta T is taken as 0.03. The time value in the loop is given as 1.1. The commented lines are uncommented to get the predictions of the output in gymball2.csv file. When run, the Python test comes like this, and the predicted graph is given like this. The analysis by VIDLE using tracker, then using VIDLE are compared. When the axes are rotated by 90 degrees, there is a change in the slope of the curve. This axis, the graph gets flipped. You can see the graph slope changing. Thank you.